Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. It is a beautiful day, guys, and it is fantastic. Anyway, we put up the video about how to do your Christmas roast chicken and the oxtail. But what happened? We're going to do the roast chicken today. We're gonna do roast chicken stuffed with callaloo. And honestly, guys, you guys gonna love this recipe. As I say, we marinate the chicken yesterday, and which is like about 12 hours ago. So you can imagine how soak it is now, ready for the oven. So what you need to do is to preheat your oven at a high temperature now. And I'm gonna give you some secret and some ideas how you can roast your chicken up. Oh, and it come out beautiful. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I'm gonna show you how you can put some callaloo inside of the chicken and it keep it moisture also. So enjoy the recipe, don't go anywhere, and stay tuned. We marinate this chicken 12 hours ago. This is the chicken right here. Yeah, this is the chicken. So we got the chicken, callaloo, spring onion, white onion, and some carrot and some garlic. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to fry off this callaloo on the season, and after we fry it off, we're going to stuff it in the chicken and we're going to roast this beautiful chicken inside of the oven for Christmas. Alright guys, so it is roast chicken stuffed with callaloo for Christmas. So guys, it's a new recipe, and as I said, you guys gonna love it. The video is on the YouTube channel already, how to marinate your chicken. So let's go into business with the callaloo. Let's put this one side. So guys, right here, as I said before, I have 2 white onions which I just cut up very fine, small, and also I have some spring onion and some carrot and 1 tin of callaloo, which is 500 grams, few garlic, and what we're going to do, we're going to fry it up. So let's get to business now and fry it up. All right, nice. So we're gonna medium-sized frying pan on the stove. All you have to do is pop 2 teaspoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. You can use butter if you like to. I like my olive oil, it's pretty good. I got 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it. I never really hot, but as you can see, it started to fry already because I got my frying pan about 2 seconds ago. Then carrot. I just do 2 medium-sized carrots and 2 medium-sized white onion and some spring onion, and that looking fantastic at the moment. Lovely. The reason why I put a lot of seasoning in it, because we're going to stuff that chicken. And that looking lovely. So let's add the callaloo. Mixed herb. A lot of people doesn't like to cook with mixed herb, but it's more healthy. A little bit of pepper, coarse pepper, and a pinch of salt. Wow, too much. Give it a quick stir. And this looking so lovely and nice so far. Look at that, beautiful, very nice. Let that fry for about 3 to 4 seconds. And it's looking good. Alright, so So basically this is finished. We don't need to overcook it because it's gonna go in the chicken and it's gonna be cooking again. So turn off my stove and now I'm gonna show you how you can stuff this in the chicken. Alright? Let it cool down for a couple of minutes and then we'll stuff it in the chicken. Nice, I love it, sir. This is a callaloo. What we're going to do is to get that chicken. Just gonna rest it right here. Then we will get the callaloo and stuff it straight inside of the belly of the chicken. Callaloo is a little bit still warm, but that's fine. I don't want it to get cold, but that'll be alright. Guys, it's gonna go in the oven now. So as you can see exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm putting everything of the chicken. Everything down at the belly. Everything is in the stomach of the chicken, guys. It's just amazing to know exactly how it's going to be taste. It's Christmas, you know what I mean? And you have to do something totally different for Christmas. Yeah. And that's looking lovely and nice. Get a nice lovely flavor from the callaloo, as you can see. So you're gonna just keep the chicken really moisture, as I can see. Nice one. Alright, then next what we will do, let's put this right there. Get this paper and we're going to just simple, we're going to cook the chicken this way. We're going to make the breast up, and then what we're going to do, we got some seasoning right here. We're going to just simple put it on top of the chicken like this. This is the butter and the blend of season. So as I can see, that looking lovely and nice so far. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply just wash off my hand, guys, and give you more secret of the chicken. So, you know what I mean? For you to get that perfect roast chicken, yeah, what you need to do, as you can see exactly what just took place right here when I stuffed the callaloo and everything in it. Get the next piece of grease-proof paper and simple. Just rest it over the chicken like this. Alright. Get your foil. Just gonna seal them. Just a little bit right here. Oh, you know what? This because of the paper. The paper. Yeah. Alright, nice one. That's fine. That's one of the. Yep. I could put more fire about it, but that's fine, you know what I mean? Nice one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to roast this in the oven for roughly 45 minutes inside of the oven. After 45 minutes, we're going to take off the foil, get that juice and put it on top of it and put it back straight in the oven for another good 10 minutes to get that lovely goldish color. Alright guys, so enjoy the recipe. As I said, roast chicken stuffed with callaloo for Christmas. Alright, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. So basically, if you're using a electric oven, it's gonna be at least 180 or 175 for 45 minutes. If you're using gas mark, it is going to be gas mark 9. Put it in the middle of the oven, not on the top, because you don't want to burn up the chicken. And also Fahrenheit sauce is going to be like probably about 320 Fahrenheit sauces, and bake it in the oven for 45 minutes. And then next, take off the foil, 10 minutes in the oven again. Enjoy it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching roast chicken stuffed with callaloo for Christmas dinner. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Just take my roast chicken stuffed with callaloo from the oven. Look at this. Alright, so this is what you want to see. See that? Nice one. Yes or no? What do you think, guys? I want to know what you guys is thinking at the moment, saying, what Chef Ricardo been doing? But you know what I mean, you want to keep the chicken really moisture, so this is what you're gonna have to do. Alright, then what you're gonna do next is simple. Just remove this seasoning off the top. As you can see, the chicken is very soft. Yeah, this is what you want to see. Very soft, but at the same time, yeah, that's nice lovely juice. Sprinkle on top of the chicken like this. Now we're going to put it back in the oven for another good 10 to 15 minutes at a high temperature, and we will see how it goes from there. But as you can see, all the chicken breast looking lovely and nice. Look at that, tender, soft, and nice. So enjoy, guys, you're gonna love it. Look at that, beautiful, really nice. So we're gonna put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes and on a high temperature, and then we will look at it again one more time. Enjoy it. Just take the chicken from the oven, and as you can see, this is it right here, looking lovely and nice and fantastic. So basically what you need to do is just simple scrape away all of these little bits off the chicken, you know what I mean, and that's it. Chicken looking lovely and nice. Get some of that fresh juice and simple sprinkle on top of it. Get that lovely color, shiny and looking nice on top of the chicken. So is it, and just look at that. That is fantastic, guys. As you can see, this is a Christmas roast chicken we were talking about, with stuffed with callaloo, and that looking lovely and nice. So guys, if you like the recipe, please subscribe, leave your comments below. As you can see, all the chicken looking so lovely and nice. Just leave your comments below, very important for us. And now this can serve, you can put that on the table, and the beauty is when you put it on the table, just look at this. When you put it on the table, it's simple. Get your knife and do a few little slices like this, few little slices, really nice, and make the family feel welcome. So as you can see, exactly how the turkey is looking so nice and lovely. So please subscribe, leave your comments below. Then simple, get that little juice on it and get that lovely flavor that's soaking inside of the turkey. Inside of it right here, that's where the juice is. Everything is stuffed inside. So enjoy, guys, and subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming out your way. Christmas roast chicken stuffed with callaloo. Enjoy it.